Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay September 24, 2023 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong September 24, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Sunday, September 24, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 24, 2023, Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 76 million pesos for Sunday, September 24, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of September 24, 2023, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.